Hey everyone, and welcome back to a video. First of all, I'd like to say that I don't have either Tango or Foxy with me because both of them are in a mood today, and so neither of them want to be handled right now. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you some fascinating butterfly facts. I don't see butterflies often, but when I do, it's really special. You know, you don't see them often, and then you see this cute little delicate creature. Butterflies are found on every continent except Antarctica. Butterflies are diurnal, so they only fly around during the day. Butterflies are insects, so they have an exoskeleton, which means a skeleton on the outside of their body. This exoskeleton is used to protect them and also keep the water inside their body so that they don't dry out. Butterflies have a three-part body, so they've got the head, thorax, and the abdomen. They have 3 pairs of jointed legs, which 6 legs equals insect. They have compound eyes and 1 pair of antennae. Adult butterflies and caterpillars breathe through little holes along the side of their body called spiracles, which some other insects also do, such as grasshoppers. That's where I learned about spiracles. It's on grasshoppers, and that if you want to drown a grasshopper, you would have to do it like butt first. Don't drown grasshoppers, okay? I'm just saying. That's something I learned once. But don't do it. That's just a weird fact I've added in there. Scientists estimate that there are between 15 and 20,000 different species of butterflies. The life cycle of the butterfly has 4 parts: the egg, the larva, the pupa, and the adult. Metamorphosis is the process where the caterpillar turns into a butterfly, and this lasts between 10 to 15 days. Most butterfly caterpillars are herbivorous, so they just eat plant leaves and stuff, and are a pest to some people for eating all their plants. Once the caterpillars are completely grown, they will shed their skin to reveal sort of a new skin underneath, which is the chrysalis. And then this is where the metamorphosis will take place, and then afterwards an adult butterfly will emerge from the chrysalis, and it will sit there for a few hours while it waits for all the blood flow to flow into these new wings and also to sort of dry out. Only afterwards then it will start flying. When the caterpillar hatches, it usually eats the egg it just hatched out of. The adult stage of a butterfly life could be anything from just 1 week to a month. Butterflies have 4 brightly colored wings with unique patterns on them made by tiny little scales. So butterfly wings are actually transparent, and it's not like color that you're seeing in their wings. It's not like a pigment. It's actually the way the light is reflected off their scales. When butterflies flap their little wings and fly, they're actually doing it in a figure 8 motion. Some species of butterfly are polymorphic, and they can actually blend into the environment. Butterflies are actually cold-blooded, but if their body temperature drops to below 30 degrees Celsius, then they can't fly. Their eyes are made up of 6,000 lenses, and according to scientists, they can see in UV light and also red, yellow, and green. Butterflies don't have a mouth, but they have this straw-like thing, and it's called a proboscis. Butterflies have little taste sensors on their feet, sort of like the taste buds we have on our tongue. Some predators of butterflies include wasps, flies, frogs, spiders, and birds. Depending on the species, some butterflies only lay eggs on one specific type of plant. Many butterflies use their feet with those little taste sensor things to see if the plant they will lay their eggs on will be suitable, and if it will be suitable for their caterpillars to eat. Many butterflies use up all the energy from the things they eat and actually don't excrete waste. Male butterflies sometimes drink water from puddles, and it's called puddling because they drink up that to get minerals and stuff that isn't available from drinking the nectar in flowers. And a group of butterflies drinking water from a puddle is called a puddle club. A group of butterflies is sometimes called a flutter. The biggest butterfly wingspan is about 30 centimeters, and the smallest is about 1.3 centimeters. Butterflies smell with their antenna. Many butterflies have motion stability sensors in their antenna. Most butterflies fly between 8 and 20 kilometers an hour. Some species can fly as high as 3,000 meters above sea level. Butterflies have appeared in art from 3,500 years ago in ancient Egypt. Butterflies make a special kind of adhesive inside their body, which they will use to stick their eggs to the leaf. Butterflies migrate to establish new colonies, and that's because they can't stay in one place for too long. Female butterflies are much larger and actually live longer lives than their male counterparts. The painted lady is the most commonly found butterfly species in the world. Just like me, butterflies are nearsighted, so they can't see things that are very far away. It's a struggle. I can't see that far either. In ancient Greece, butterflies were depicted and were represented as the soul of an individual. And in ancient Roman times, they believed that when someone dies, a butterfly would leave their mouth and it would be a symbol of their soul leaving their body. Butterflies have UV markings on their wings and will help them attract potential mates. So that's all the facts I have for you. I hope that you get to see a butterfly sometime soon. And stay tuned to my channel to see more exciting animal fact videos. I've got a playlist going, so go check that out. And subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this and other pet videos that I have and all sorts of fun things. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!